Did you miss a phone number or website? Then here's your second chance, because we're going to list all of that information again. Then we'll be back to tip you off about the latest tax scams. Well, April 15th, tax day is almost here. Are you ready? Aside from taxes, every year the IRS issues its dirty dozen tax scams. So here is my law partner, Michael Solomon, to give us advice on what to watch out for.
Hi, Lori.
So what scams are out there this year?
Well, I can't go into all 12, and I'll cover a couple on the show, but if you're interested, you can go to the IRS website or Google IR, Internal Revenue, dash 2018 for this year, dash 2066, and it'll pull it up.
Okay.
But, you know, there are all sorts of scams out there. I'm going to talk about one of them as a low-tech scam, where someone gets a call from someone that says, I'm from the IRS, and you owe a lot of money, and if you don't pay it, I'm going to send the police over, or we're going to have you deported. It just doesn't happen. You're not going to, you know, that doesn't happen. Then what they try to do is get you to pay the bill with a gift card, or you purchase a debit card, and then the money is gone forever. So remember, the IRS never calls you over the phone and threatens you with arrest.
Okay.
You know, they don't demand taxes without giving you a right to appeal it. They never start asking you all sorts of information, or give me your credit card number or your debit card number, anything like that. They just don't do that. So if you get a call like that from someone who says they're from the IRS, just hang up.
Hang up. Okay. So that's low tech.
Okay.
What about the high tech?
Well, the high tech is called phishing, not like going, you know, fishing at the creek, but it's where you get an email that says it's from the IRS. You click on it, and they direct you to a website. It looks like the IRS's website. And you start giving them all sorts of personal information. Again, it could be your social security number, credit card information, and then you're caught. Or even more sophisticated, now some of them will then file for a tax return for you, get a refund sent to your bank account, and then contact you and say, hey, you got to return the money.
Oh, my goodness.
So it really gets very difficult. So the IRS doesn't tweet, text, they don't send you emails. Don't respond to those. Don't give any information over the phone.
Okay. We have time for one more.
Okay, this is self-inflicted wound. I don't have a lot of sympathy for people who fall for this. This is where they go to a seminar and they say, oh, you don't have to pay income taxes. You know, they say the First Amendment, you don't have to pay income taxes because of you can base it on religious or moral grounds, or you're not a person under the Internal Revenue Code, or one of my favorites, the income tax is voluntary. I don't want to pay it. I don't pay it. You know, so or they argue, I reject U.S. citizenship. I'm just a citizen of the state of Ohio.
Okay.
Therefore, I don't owe federal taxes. They're all scams. Don't fall for any of that.
All right. Don't believe any of that.
No.
All right. Now, be sure to file your income taxes and don't get scammed. If you have any questions about the IRS, call Mike. The number's next.
Call Solomon, Steiner, and Peck at 1-888-236-5173 for more information, or to schedule a speaker for your organization. Or log on to www.ssnplaw.com.
Thanks for joining us. On next week's show, entertainment, education, empowerment, and engagement. You can find it all in one place, and we'll tell you where. Plus, will the new tax plan put a wrench in your retirement income? We'll investigate. And we'll preview a program that helps those with memory issues stay in their home sweet home. But until then, please remember to make the most of your golden opportunities.
If you'd like to join our kitchen conversation, visit our website, www.goldenopportunities.tv. Like us on Facebook. Call us at 440-742-GO-TV or email us at kitchen@goldenopportunities.tv. We'd love to hear from you.
Golden Opportunities is paid for by Elder Productions.